All right, guys, welcome back to another video of Shaman J. So, yeah, this is the Pixel 10a. Was out and about today and decided to stop by the Google store because I was literally across the street from it. And lo and behold, folks, this is the same phone as the 9a. However, the camera module is flat. Now, I dug a little deeper, and after speaking to one of the Pixel store reps there, he was like, "Yeah, no Pixel snap." And I said, "I know, I don't understand it." So the real unit is, just like your 9A, but I decided to dig into the camera and see if I can find anything real briefly. But in the end, folks, if you have the 9A, I know I made the other video kind of trolling a little bit, but the fact is, if you have the 9A, you really don't need this 10A. And I think it's very strange that they're still selling the 9A, even though the 10A is going to drop. It appears they're going to continue to sell the 9A. Nonetheless, this is a real quick hands-on. I like the Frost version, and that's probably the one that I'm going to go with. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.